Hi, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I am an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's a trade that we had this morning in the Grok Star Room on FSLR, good old First Solar. Been one of my favorite ones to trade lately, and after opening here at 9:30, it was forming what we call a symmetrical triangle. If you want to know more about what those are and how to trade them, you go to FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, to our free chart school. Here's a description of it, and then down below here is a picture of it where you have it going higher and lower, higher and lower, and higher and lower and lower. It's like a coiled spring ready to pop or break down. This is the example of the breakout version. So what was happening here with First Solar, as you can see, it was getting tighter and tighter and tighter. I called this out as a symmetrical triangle, and I was currently flat the market at the moment. So I went on a quick break to refresh my good old Arnold Palmer iced tea, and let's see what happened. While I was gone, boom! Look at that! From here up to here is a 4% gain. You talk about a coiled spring unspringing. And of course, I walked back in the room just as it broke through that. Was set to go long down here. So I decided to see what was going to happen next. It did pull back to the 1390 area. So I got an order set, ready to go. And I got in right here. Now I am long at 1392. Now this is a little bit aggressive in the fact that I normally would say wait until it would break out here, because this is the R1 line and this is the pivot line, and on the break of that I wanted to be long. Again, I was a little aggressive there. Well, let's see what happened next. Okay, up here I did take half right here for 1% at 1408. Pulled my stop up near break even, and then again this is holding a support here. Great, and then it just losing, and then took me out right here at 1391 for minus 0.1%. So the total trade from here, and then the second half here was for 0.4% in 9 minutes. But the point of this is, look at this coiled spring here, and kaboom for a 4% gain had I not gone for that cup of tea. Well, these are some of the trades that we're doing in the Grok Star Room, and if you've been in the room and not taken a break, you might have had an opportunity to catch a good part of that trade. I do want to ask you, though, seriously, are you trading as well as you could be? Are you still trying to figure it out on your own and keep giving the money to the market rather than into your bank account? Are you getting in too early and out too late? Perhaps you need some training. We do offer some of the best mentoring training in the industry. We have a live event that we only do a few times a year. It's going to be this next weekend in Las Vegas, starting on Sunday, the 24th, and ending on Monday, the 26th. We even have a special rate of hotel room block that you won't get cheaper anywhere else for such a fine hotel. If you'd like to know more about this and have a serious discussion about what options you have to improve your trading, whether it's this mentoring program or one of the other services that we offer here at Grok Trade and FreeOnlineTradingEducation.com, just contact mentor@groktrade.com. This is Mark the Meerkat here, just to remind you that there are two key things to being a wildly successful trader. One is possess the knowledge of what to do, and number two, practicing the discipline to do it. Have a great Father's Day.